In this video, I'll show you how to configure a joystick. Before starting MACE, go to the Windows Control Panel and ensure that your joystick is properly installed. Start at MACE. Click on View, then Settings. Then click on the Joystick tab. Take note of the Refresh button at the top of the menu. If you have plugged in your joystick after starting MACE, you'll need to click on this. To begin programming the joystick buttons for MACE, choose a name for your profile, press Enter. Select Program at the bottom. Then click on the radio button of the choice you would like to make. For instance, the axis for the flight model. Then go to the joystick and move that axis. The comment field to the right will register your choice. Repeat this process for all the buttons that you wish to program. When you're finished, press Stop. If you wish to make another configuration, type the new name in the field and press Enter. Then repeat the configuration process. To recall a previously made configuration, select it from the drop-down menu and click Load. Click OK to exit when you're finished. Then comes the fun part, testing out your configuration.